Okay, so hi dear Gemini, very very good evening to you guys. This is 7 day 7 oracle messages for all the Gemini, Sun, Moon, Venus, or Rising from 25th till the 31st of May 2026. Keep in mind these are general messages, they might or might not resonate. If they does good, if they don't worry about it, just let it be. Okay, for personal reading healing session, check out the description box, you'll find the links below. And for tarot reading course and Ho'oponopono Masterclass, 2 links are given below. And I'm conducting a 7 day 7 live Osho meditation event from 5th till the 11th of June 2026, 4:30 p.m. to 5:30 p.m. in the evening. And it's going to be a life-changing event. This is definitely going to help you guys a lot in reducing your stress, your anxiety, your day-to-day issues, and a lot of healing is also going to be there for you guys. So don't wait for the last minute. You can apply. I'm going to leave the link for the same in the description box. I'm very excited to see you guys on the other side, and let's start. This is my first time I'm doing this event, so just join and have fun with me. It's 3500 Indian rupees for Indians, and 125 for others USD. And it's going to be live event only. We can't do it recorded. I'm sorry, I'm not allowed to do that. So let's start with the reading, Gemini. Okay, just give me a second, honey. Just give me 1 second. Yes. So, the overall energy for Gemini people for this week, let's see what we have. The overall energy for Gemini people for this week, let's see what we have. So, I have the Six of Ariel. Material needs get fulfilled in magical and unexpected ways. So, your financial life, your materialistic life is going to be quite good for this week, and unexpectedly you guys are going to get a lot of things done. Act of kindness, the more you are going to be kind with others, the more the universe is going to give you more the universe is going to send you love and blessings. Okay, give and receive with a grateful heart. That is the message for this week overall. 25th, we have the decision. Release yourself from which holds you back. Something or someone is holding you back, and you guys have to release yourself from the situation. No one else is going to do that for you. You have to do it for yourself. A need to detox. You guys have to have a proper detox here, whether it's physical, mental, spiritual, or otherwise, or digital detox. Maybe unnecessary worry based on a lack of self confidence. If you guys are continuously worrying about something or someone, it's coming out of your lack of self confidence. It's not like you can't do it or you can't resolve a situation. You can, but this is based on a lack of self confidence. Okay. 26, we have the Seven of Gabriel. Stand up for what you believe in. Gemini, if you're not going to stand up for what you believe in, nobody else is going to do that for you. So you have to stand up for what you believe in. Have confidence, have faith. You will be able to achieve whatever you really want to have in your life. Claim your personal power. Standing in your power and claiming your personal power is definitely going to help you achieve something really good on this particular day. 25th, 26th, 27th, we have Seven of Ariel. You have invested wisely. You have invested in something very wisely. Have patience and wait for the harvest. Have patience. You are going to get the results also. If you are going to get restless, if you are going to be impatient, you might miss the good results that you deserve. Review your progress and make plans for your next endeavor. So whatever you have done till this point of your life, you review your progress and make plans for your next endeavor accordingly, keeping in mind your lessons, your blessings, and whatever you have learned till this point of your life, right? So you might be up for another project or another opportunity. So do it properly. 28, we have the Five of Raphael. Everything happens for a reason, Gemini. Even if we don't know the reason, everything happens for a reason in our lives. Release regret and embrace the opportunities for happiness. The things that you cannot change, control, or do anything about, you don't have to continuously live in some kind of regret and or guilt. So whatever happened. You can't change that. Now, what you can do is learn from them and never repeat the same kind of mistakes and stupidities again, and embrace the opportunities for happiness that's coming your way. Search for the silver lining, search for the positive things in your life instead of focusing on the negatives. Search for the positives. Okay, 25th, 26th, 27th, 28th. 29th, we have the Three of Michael. Release the past. You will grow from the situation. Time heals all wounds. Until unless you guys are not going to release the past that you are stuck on, whether it's a person or a situation or a belief system, you guys will not be able to grow from the situation that you guys are keeping yourself stuck on. Time is going to heal all wounds, but you have to give time the the necessary reason to heal it, right? I mean to say, if you are not going to give yourself enough time and space to heal yourself properly, time is going to do nothing. It's just a myth that time is going to heal all wounds. It's actually we who heals ourselves. But if we are going to be continuously going in the past, continuously searching, like uh, digging the graves, it's not going to help us, right? So make a choice, make a bold choice and decision to release something or someone from your system, and then allow it to settle down. With time, you will be able to be okay. 30th, we have the Seven of Raphael, time to make a decision. The time has come for you guys to make a decision. You might be stuck on something or someone from your past, whether it's a person or a situation. This is the same message that keeps on coming back again and again and again, right? So you guys have to make a bold choice or a decision here and stick to that decision or choice of yours, okay? Be clear on what you want. You have to have the proper clarity and understanding of what you want, why you want it, and then take the action accordingly. A need for detoxification, okay? Detox is very, very important for you guys. Again, whether it's mental, spiritual, or maybe digital. 31st, we have the Knight of Ariel. There is so much to accomplish. There is so much to accomplish in this lifetime, okay? Maybe in your what is the moment I start speaking, otherwise I'm fine the whole day. Something is okay. Okay. Make a very detailed plan, being watched over by someone kind. If you want to achieve something in your life, you should have a proper plan and strategy to achieve that, especially if it is related to your professional life, right? Strategy and planning, and then taking actions accordingly. Somebody is watching you, like somebody kind, somebody who is wise is watching you. They might not be entering in your life or space right now, but they're watching you and they might enter in your space when the timing is going to be right. Let's see the guidance for you guys, honey, for this week. I have the peace. Release the past, release the past, release the past. Gemini, release the past. There is a more enriching future coming in only if you are going to stop gripping on the past. Then the more enriching future is going to be there for you, okay? Future is nothing but the things that we do today that becomes our future. If you are going to stick yourself in the past, how it is going to happen? Let go and let God. Surrender to the divine for whatever is coming next, but releasing the past is in your hands. Nobody else can do that for you. So thank you so much for tuning in, Gemini. We'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye, take care, may existence bless you. Namaste.